welcome back to another video. As most of you guys know, this is the fort. But there's a problem. There is a huge jungle in the way, and this place is about to just fall over like a piece of crap. So before the summer kicks in, we are going to try to rebuild the fort. So what we're going to do today is hopefully get most of this grass that is overgrown mowed, especially this spot. So let's get at it.
The day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride.
Alright, so we got a good amount compared to when we started, but I think we need to work on this more. But I am getting tired. We're doing a lot of work right now, so I think we're gonna kick on this tomorrow. So yeah, we'll possibly get this done tomorrow and keep working on it. But that will be the end. Bye-bye.